So, welcome again to the Pizza and Gelato class. I'm Max, your gelato chef. Okay, let's go down. Now we can try to find something for our pizza and gelato. We have tomatoes there, cherry tomatoes, yellow one there, the red one here. Would you like to help me to pick some of them? And here are peppers for your pizza. Basil for your pizza and also for gelato. Why not? So what would you like to drink with focaccia? Salute!
Salute! Cheers!
I will explain you how to prepare a good mix for your gelato, how to balance the mix, and we'll prepare, of course, in different flavors. Sugar, cream and milk and fruits, water, eggs. So the first step in preparing gelato is choosing ingredients. And then you come here in pizzeria and you prepare the dough for the pizza.
Okay, hello guys, welcome to the pizza class. As you know, I am Luca and I will be your personal pizza chef for 3-4 hours. I don't know, we will see. Today for our pizza we are going to make the Napoli pizza, the one with the high crust that we know, we presume it's the pizza that you prefer, that you like.
So now we have to be gentle to mix the flour, the yeast and the water.
For your neighbors.
Red salt, I suggest on pistachio, also I prepare for you if you want.
Voila, done! Your pizza is perfect. Voila, thank you, Eric. Thank you, Luca. An Italian name. Yeah, are you Italian?
No.
No!
Thank you, Isabella. Thank you.